Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video. Well, last time I've said that I have lots of tin fish, so I'm going to make a series of tin fish recipe. So today I'm also here with another tin fish recipe. Today I'm going to make this sardine brine and oil. Well guys, if you want to buy this tin fish, you can buy it from oceansecret.in. You can click the link and it will take you to their website and you can get varieties of tin fish. And also, if you are buying more than $1,000, then please use my code and you will get the offer. So well, today I'm going to make this tin fish. Well, today I'm going to add these green leaves in the tin fish. Well, frankly saying, I didn't know this name, so I asked Google Baba. Google Baba ने जवाब दिया कि it's called something like kangkong and it's water spinach, and somewhere is written like edible pond water plants. So today I'm going to add these green leaves, and like I'm not so sure what we call it in my language. And well, it's very good. You can make it as a salad also, but today I'm going to add it in the tin fish. So this tin fish and water spinach. Let me first show you the ingredients. Well, let me show you the ingredients. You don't need many ingredients, just green chilies, 2 tomatoes, of course tin fish, salt, and this green leaves. Okay, now we will start cooking. First of all, add 2 glasses of water. Two medium-sized tomatoes. Cut the eye of the tomatoes. Green chilies. Do a small cut in the green chilies so it will be easier to cook. And add some salt. Remember, in tin fish already salt is here, so you shouldn't add too much of salt. So first we will wait for the chilies and the tomatoes to cook properly. चलो मिर्चा और टोमेटो पकना पकाने सब जो पक गई है. Now I will remove all the chilies and tomatoes. 이도 빠르게 건디고 이디야. We will add this green leaves. So 이도 green leaves to पूरा नेवी हालिओ बारे आरो half be kuru baru. So you can add these green leaves as whole, or you can either break it in half. I will break it in half. Green leaves to pishinya dikhiya jay only after boiling it choto hoi jabo, ekdom kumdi hoi jabo. So we will cover it, and by the time mircha or tomato to be bhalra kondibo. मिर्चा और टोमेटो तो भालरा खुंदिसे. Now तो मिर्चा और टोमेटो तो ये दे वापस हाली लियो. ভাল bra clean bana haldibo. We'll add more water. Yeah, and like 10 minutes we'll cook the leaves. Time দিয়ে সবজি তো ফ্রাই থাকিবি चलो गाइस पता तो पकी बोले ऐसे ही जा see yeah we will add this tin fish. See this fish kanduman damor ase olop kona bhangai dibo So after adding the tin fish, if you want your curry to be more gravy, then just cook like 2-3 minutes, and otherwise just up to till 5 minutes you can cook. Tin fish tala bichide namak pe taste koribi. cover kori na 3-4 minutes na cook korobo sob bhal ra pakise pani bi olop ase full dry howa nai it's not fully dried up so that's all now our tin fish recipe is done. Okay guys, now it's time to test my tin fish recipe. Sabi. बता दो yeah. Now tin fish brother pata hai man tasty it's so tasty tin fish la taste to bra pata to ekdam bhal brother laga pata to ekdam taste kori dise wow guys really it's so nice. I really enjoyed cooking and I'm really going to enjoy eating this well so it's really tasty tin fish bhi bahut bhala ase so like I said in the beginning if you want to order it from the oceansecret.in so whatever varieties you want you can get it from there. Well guys it's so tasty. I hope that you like watching this video. And if you really like watching this video, please give a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.